Are we gonna pack this motherfucker?
Yeah, not these. I'm gonna paint these.
Okay, yeah, but we're packing. Hey, we just sitting here chilling. My boys in Cauldron Point, yo, 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 getting ready for Foothills Fest. 1 week away. Countdown. 1 week. Just checking out our speakers because we doing sound too that day. Everything's sounding good. Avery's about to pull up this trailer so we can pack it. But we just hanging out, talking, you know, talking about how we's excited about the vendor that's coming that's gonna have some deep fried Reese's. I'm gonna have to get my hands on some of that shit. Make sure you come, cause I hear that Matt Cox of Native Envy is making a limited edition to one ever made t-shirt, tank top, that's gonna have the logos and some cool shit on it. Anyways, it's gonna be part of a raffle, right? Can you hear me? Anyways, it's part of a raffle. You see that? Julian's holding up what's about to say.
Maybe. There we go.
There it is. Anyways, that's that tank top. Make sure you enter in the raffles, get as many as you can, cause that's a good looking tank top. One of a kind. Will never ever be made again.
That's what Prince said. Good looking tank top.
Mm-hmm.